To edit member levels, click on Preferences from the BannerRoster dashboard. Click on Member Levels. Click on View next to the level you would like to edit. Click Edit Member Level. Edit the fields as needed and click Save Changes. To return to the BannerRoster dashboard, click on BannerRoster. To manage the registration form, click on Preferences from the BannerRoster dashboard. Click on Member Levels. Click on View next to the member level. Scroll down and click on Manage Registration Form. Click on Attach New Form field. Choose the form field and click Attach. To return, click on Back to Registration Form. To add a new section, click on Add New Section. Enter in the section title. Enter in the script ID. Enter in which page you would like this section to appear on. Click Verify New Section and click Submit. To return, click on Back to Registration Form.